Kulang pa rin kahit may kita ka na? Ganito ka rin ba? Na kahit may negosyo ka na, parang may kulang pa rin? Let me tell you about Janice. She owns a small eyeglass store in her town. Noong una, she was so full of energy. Excited siya kasi ang ganda ng idea, helping people see better, di ba? So she rented a small space, stocked up on frames, and inasikaso ang bawat customer with a smile. Pero as the months went by, routine na lang ang lahat. Gising, bukas ng tindahan, inventory, benta, bayad sa suppliers, repeat. Booming naman ang business ni Janice at tuloy-tuloy ang pagpasok ng benta. Pero sa kabila ng success na yon, may emptiness pa rin siyang nararamdaman. Kaya isang gabi, tinanong niya yung sarili niya, is this really what I'm supposed to do for the rest of my life? Anak, ang daming business owners ang nakakaramdam ng ganyan. Outwardly successful ka, pero inwardly restless. Kasi when you don't know your why, kahit anong sipag at tiyaga, kulang pa rin ang saya. So one weekend, habang nakaupo siya sa tindahan niya, Janice started reflecting. Ano ba talaga ang dahilan kung bakit ko to ginagawa? And she realized na hindi sapat ang kumikita lang siya. She wanted her business to mean something more. And so she began searching for answers, reading, listening, and reflecting until she came across Discover Your Business Calling. At doon niya nakita na hindi lang pala siya basta nagbebenta ng eyeglass. He was giving people confidence and freedom. Isang estudyante na dati hirap magbasa, ngayon honor student. Isang young professional na dating insecure, ngayon top performer na. Isang lola na dati hindi niya mabasa ang Bible niya, ngayon masaya na siya ulit. That realization changed everything. Suddenly, her store had a deeper purpose. Hindi na lang basta benta. It was impact. She started offering free eye checkups for the less privileged and building relationships with schools and offices. So her business did not just grow in sales, it grew in meaning. And for the first time in years, Janice woke up every morning inspired. Anak, yan ang nangyayari kapag na-discover mo na ang true business calling mo. You stop running your business like a chore and you start leading it like a mission. So, when purpose aligns with profit, mas malayo ang mararating mo, anak. And that's exactly what Discover Your Business Calling is designed to help you with. It's not just about strategy. It's about uncovering the reason behind your work so that every step feels lighter, clearer, at more fulfilling. Kasi anak, hindi lang pera ang sukatan ng tagumpay. Kapag may kita at may saysay, doon ka talaga nagtatagal sa negosyo. So if you've been feeling stuck, drained, or lost in your business journey, maybe it's time to pause and ask yourself, what is my true purpose? And anak, once you find it, everything else starts to fall into place. Get your copy of Discover Your Business Calling. Check the comment for the link. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.